Hello people, this here is an Israeli military issue lock sent to me by Captain Jerry 88. Thanks for the lock. And check his vids out. Excellent picker.
Well, there's nothing cool about
it's a super easy pick, but
remember, you spotted Ruben Lopez at lowrider shows while he's been on the run. Cops think he's still selling hydraulics. David Lopez.
Anyways, thanks Captain Jerry 88 for the lock.
You've seen Ruben or
I also have here a Brazilian lock. It's called a Papaiz. Also a pretty easy pick. Even more so because this lock is mastered. I can tell that because I can see multiple pins stacked in the keyway.
He's back on full blast. So if you have any information on David or Ruben Lopez, you got to call our hotline, 1-800-CRIME-TV. That's 1-800-274-6388. And I guarantee you can remain anonymous. You've got to have the guts to get these guys off the streets. Now stay with us. We'll be right back.
And there we go. Unlocked. Okay. So there's those two little brass patties out of the way. Stay tuned for my next vid where I'll be picking one of these three locks. So peace, have fun, and don't break the law.